Everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 4 to the power of x plus 16 to the power of x is equal to 64 to the power of x, and we will solve this problem for the value of x. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first I will divide both sides by 64 to the power of x, so that it will become in this form 64 to the power of x. So these terms are gone, and here we have the bases are different and its exponents are same, so that we can combine the exponents of both of the terms, so that we can write it as 4 over 64 to the power of x plus 16 over 64 to the power of x is equals to 1. And after that we will cancel out the terms, and here we get 4 ones are 4, and 4 6 are 24. So here you get 1 over 16, and this is 16 4s are 64. So here we get 1 over 16 to the power of x plus 1 over 4 to the power of x is equal to 1. After that we will write the 16 in the square form, so we can write it as 1 over 4 square and its whole power x plus 1 over 4 to the power of x is equal to 1. And after that we will apply here the famous exponential law, and you know that if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, so it is equals to a to the power of n to the power of m. It means that we will interchange these exponents and it will becomes the same answer, which is a to the power of m times of n. So that here we can interchange these two exponents, and we will get here 1 over 4 to the power of x and its whole square plus 1 over 4 to the power of x is equal to 1. So now we can simplify the terms, and here we can take y is equal to 1 over 4 to the power of x, so that this exponential equation will becomes in quadratic form, and it will become y square plus y is equal to 1. So now we move this 1 to the left hand side, and it will become y square plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. And now we will use the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation, and you know about the quadratic formula, which is, so first I can write the values of a, b and c. So here we have a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 1, and the quadratic formula is y is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4 times of a and c square root over 2 times of a. So after that we can substitute all the values of a, b and c in this quadratic formula, so that the remaining terms will be get in this form, which is y is equals to, when we can substitute the value of b, so it will becomes minus 1 plus minus this is b square, and which is 1 minus 4 times of a and c, and the value of a is 1 and the value of c is minus 1, so minus and minus it will become plus 4 square root over 2 times of a is 1. So finally we get here minus 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. So here we have two cases. The first case is, we can write it as y is equal to minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and the other case is, we will write y is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. So after that we can put the value of y here, and the value of y is 1 over 4 to the power of x, so it will becomes 1 over 4 to the power of x is equal to minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and similarly here we get 1 over 4 to the power of x is equal to minus 1 minus k root of 5 to the power of x. So first I can deal the second case, and here you can see that the exponential function always gives the positive value and its right hand side is the negative value. So the positive value and negative value cannot be equals to each other, so it is not possible, and we will rejected this case, and we just proceed here this case only. And in order to proceed this case, we will take the natural log on both of the sides, so that it will becomes, after applying the log, this exponent will become in the front of the log, and it will becomes x times of log 1 over 4 is equal to log of minus 1 plus k root of 5 over 2. And after that we move this term in the right hand side, and it will becomes x is equals to log of minus 1 plus k root 5 over 2 and its whole over log of 1 over 4. And after that we will use the calculator in order to find the values of these two logs, and after dividing the values we will finally get the answer is 0.3471. So this is the our final answer of the question. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.